It's a 2008 Chevrolet Impala. A refined and roomy interior is wrapped in an athletic exterior, giving you a car that exudes an unflappable demeanor. Welcome to approachable luxury. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. AM/FM satellite radio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, 3 12-volt power outlets, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, touring suspension, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive finds handling surprisingly quick and sharp. This is not the wallowing live axle barge from the 1960s, yet the ride is well damped and does a good job of filtering noise, vibration, and harshness. Chevy, 100 years of icons. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.